Hi everybody, today I will show you how to turn off this new Microsoft 365 or Office 2021 design. So you can see that this design is optimized for Windows 11. So how to turn it off? We should create some string values in our registry. You can see this on the screen. So we should open our registry editor. There are some ways how we can do that. For example, you can click Start menu, then Windows Administrative Tools and Registry Editor, or you can type in the search bar Registry and click on it. Yes. So we should go through this path. You can see at the screen. HKey current user, software, Microsoft, then Office 60.0, common, then pay attention, ExperimentConfigs, then ExternalFeatureOverrides, and then you can choose which apps you want to choose for turning off this new Microsoft 365 or Office 2021 design. I will choose Word and PowerPoint. So you can see that this app has new design. I will close it. Before doing this, you should close it, of course. So we should create 3 new string values. Firstly, we should copy this name, Ctrl+C or right button on your mouse, copy. Then again, right click on your mouse, new string value, paste this name, enter, and false. Then doing the same, copy this name, create string value, paste, enter, or you can do right click on your mouse, modify, and false. Alright. And then doing the same but copying the other name. Okay, new string value, paste, enter, false. Alright, let's check it. Start menu and Word. So you can see that this new design is turned off, and you can see the older one, which is optimized more for Windows 10. Alright, let's do the same things with PowerPoint. Alright, copy this, firstly. New string value, false. This new string value, paste, false. And this. Alright, let's check it. PowerPoint. And you can see that we see the older design. So I think that's all. You can do the same things for other apps, for example Excel, Access, or other apps which you use. So thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.